Hello everyone and welcome to Aries Cupcakes. So I'm getting ready to show you a cute cupcake video, but while the cupcakes are cooling, I decided that I wanted to show you a really quick, cool gift idea for the holidays that you can also try as well. So I'm going to show you how to make cocoa jars. So everybody loves hot cocoa around the holidays. So I'm going to show you how you can make homemade cocoa mason jars and give them out as gifts. So let's get right to it. Okay, so what you will need are mason jars, of course. I've decorated the lids to make them nice and festive for Christmas. You'll need gift tags so that you can be able to give them as a gift. Marshmallows, of course, who can have cocoa without marshmallows. Sugar, cocoa powder, unsweetened, and chocolate chips. Also, you'll need some ribbon or some twine to decorate your jars once you're finished, and I'll explain a little later why I've packaged the marshmallows versus just putting them in the jars. So all you're gonna do is just simply add all of your ingredients into the jars. So of course, these are all of the dry ingredients that you'll need. So obviously you can't put wet ingredients in a jar and give them as a gift because it will spoil. So all you have to do is maybe put a little note along with your gift to just add hot milk. Now I'm adding my sugar. I think that's enough. You can always layer another spoon of cocoa if you'd like to make it look festive. All right, now I'm going to add in my chocolate chips. Perfect. All right, so I have packaged my marshmallows because, you don't want to just pour the jar into the hot milk on the stove with the marshmallows because you don't want your marshmallows to melt yet. So I've pre-packaged them so that once you've got your cocoa already ready, you can add your marshmallows at the very end. So I'm just going to fold over the treat bag nice and tight. Secure it like that. And then just add the package into the jar as such and just put on your lid. All right, and there you have it, nice and layered jar. Now we can decorate. I'm going to use this nice decorative ribbon that I'm just going to tie around the edge of the jar. It's a little folded. All right, so I was having a little trouble with my ribbon here. Wasn't giving me the cutest bow that I actually wanted. So I'm just going to take the lid back off. Got my nice gift tag with the string, and I'm just going to tuck the string inside the jar and allow the tag to hang a little. Of course, you can decorate your jars however you want. All right, and there you have it. A cute little cocoa jar gift. Super easy to make, super fun. Nice and layered. Like I said, just add hot milk or add this to some hot milk and you're good to go. All right, and there you have it. These very cute little cocoa jars, which are perfect gifts for the holidays. Super easy, super fun, and very inexpensive to make. So they make the perfect gift. So I want to thank you for watching today. And I hope that you watch all of the other videos that we have here on the channel. Please subscribe as well as hit the notification bell so that you can stay up to date on all of the videos that we add. Also, be sure to visit my blog at ariescupcakes.com. Like us on Facebook at Aries Cupcakes, and as well as on Instagram at Aries_Cupcakes. Bye-bye.